Hey all, I just thought I'd do a quick follow-up video to show you the percentage of the discharge of these cells. And we are at, we've discharged 267 almost amps. We're at 11%. It's been running for what's that? Oh, that's the deviation, 3 millivolts. Each cell. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's been running for 749 minutes. The other one was 880 something. It resets after 1,000 minutes, I think. But anyway, that's what's going on with that. Yeah, so I'll make a little video of the results anyway.